In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove sidebar in Elementor. If you've been working on a page in WordPress and you're seeing a sidebar you don't want, maybe it's crowding your content or breaking the layout you had in mind. Removing it in Elementor is actually very simple. I'll walk you through the process step by step so you can follow along on your own site. First, go to the page that currently has the sidebar and open it with the Elementor editor. You can do this from your WordPress dashboard by going to your pages list, hovering over the page title, and choosing Edit with Elementor. Give it a moment to load. Elementor will open a live preview of your page with all the sections and widgets you've added. Once you're inside the editor, your goal is to locate the container that holds the sidebar. Typically, your page will be divided into sections and columns. The main content might be on the left and the sidebar on the right, but the exact layout can vary. Slowly move your mouse over the sidebar area itself. As you hover, you should see a small label appear near the top left of that sidebar container, usually showing a rectangle icon. When you see that rectangle icon at the top left of the sidebar area, hover your mouse over it. This will reveal a few more icons, giving you options to edit, duplicate, or delete that container. Among those icons, look for a small X icon. This is the delete option for that specific container. Go ahead and click the X. As soon as you do, you'll see the sidebar disappear from your page preview, leaving more space for your main content. Take a quick look at the page to make sure everything still looks the way you want. In many cases, the remaining content will automatically stretch to fill the available width, but if needed, you can adjust the section or column settings afterward. Once you're happy with the change and the sidebar is gone, don't forget to save your work. In the top right corner of the Elementor editor, click the Update button if this is an existing page, or Publish if you're working on a new one. Wait for Elementor to confirm that the changes have been saved. That's all you need to do to remove